Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center, home of the lifetime powertrain warranty. Today's special is the 2014 Jeep Grand Cherokee Limited 4-wheel drive. Stock number E2118A. 56,000 miles on this one owner, local trade, clean auto check history report. We sold this Grand Cherokee brand new, black forest green in color. You do receive the Sheboygan Chevy Chrysler exclusive lifetime powertrain warranty. Seats 5, leather interior. Rear outboard seats are also heated. Split seat backs fold down to accommodate longer cargo items. Grand Cherokee is a very safe vehicle, 5-star front and side government crash rating with backup camera and rear parking sensors. Trailering package. Power liftgate for convenience. Lots of cargo space in the rear with removable privacy cover. Hooks on both sides, perfect for keeping plastic grocery bags secure. An additional underfloor storage with removable bins for easy cleaning. And speaking of clean, no dents or dings in the body. This Limited has keyless entry with remote start, power windows, locks, mirrors, memory settings for 2 drivers, power seats, along with a power tilt and telescopic steering wheel to put you in that perfect driving position. Oversized panoramic moonroof. Large, easy to read gauges. Get only 55,000 miles. Cruise control, steering wheel mounted audio controls, paddle shifters for the 8-speed automatic transmission. Large touchscreen 8.4-inch display for radio. It's also satellite radio capable. You can connect various media devices. Heated seats, heated steering wheel, as well as cooled seats. Keep you comfortable no matter what time of year, along with dual zone automatic temperature control. Navigation. Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free phone use or to connect other Bluetooth-enabled devices. Great for wireless music streaming. And that is, of course, where the backup camera display is. Hard keys below for the things you use most often. USB and auxiliary input allows you to connect those media devices. That 8-speed automatic transmission and 4-wheel drive. Lots of storage space in the armrest and a large glove box with the owner's manual inside. Overhead auto dimming mirror, home link transmitter for garage door opener, power moonroof, sunshade and liftgate control. Under the hood, this Grand Cherokee has a 3.6-liter V6, 290 horsepower, and just as clean under the hood as the rest of the vehicle. EPA fuel economy estimates an average of 17 miles to the gallon in the city, average of 24 on the highway, and ready to go with new brakes and new tires. For more information on this Grand Cherokee, please go to SheboyganAuto.com.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.